Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to One Pilgrim's Progress in 2026. It is truly a blessing to be before you today. We're going to be coming out of James chapter 3, verse 1 through 5. And we're going to be talking about the tongue. It reads as this, verse 1. Dear brothers and sisters, not many of you should become teachers in the church, for we who teach will be judged more strictly. Verse 2, indeed, we all make many mistakes, for if we could control our tongues, we would be perfect and could also control ourselves in every other way. Verse 3, we can make a large horse go wherever we want by means of a small bit in its mouth. Verse 4, and a small rudder makes a huge ship turn wherever the pilot chooses to go, even though the winds are strong. Verse 5, in the same way the tongue is a small thing that makes grand speeches, but a tiny spark can set a great forest on fire. The tongue really can get you into a lot of trouble. It speaks oftentimes from grandeur. It's trying to produce and it's trying to fabricate itself. It's more than sometimes what it is. And sometimes it's really not necessary, but sometimes we find ourselves guilty of falling into a place where we're trying to prove ourselves. We're trying to make ourselves bigger than we are. Or one thing I like about people that are either angry, drunk, or just have a chip on their shoulder, they always use that tongue to tell you exactly how they feel. I kind of like that, because when you tell me how you feel, I understand you from a genuine place. The gloves are off. You show me exactly how you felt about me. I appreciate that. It gives me something to pray for. And the other thing that I like when people say, I'm going to give them a piece of my mind. That's your tongue. That's that unruly member. But when you say that, what you're also doing when you give someone a piece of your mind, you're also relinquishing your peace to the moment. And when you lose your peace, that's detrimental. You have just lost something extremely great. So the beginning of it talked about us not just wanting to be teachers. Why? Because we have to be subject to every part of what God has given us. God bless you.